Hello there. In this video, let's try to understand how to take advantage of this AI wave and how to benefit from it. Let's go back to our report from McKinsey and let's take a look at this chart. So this chart talks about the productivity and economic growth due to the adoption of automation and AI. So here we have countries and here we have job categories. So if you are a creative, you are going to see an increase in your demand because of growing incomes. People will also be spending more on entertainment. If you are a technology professional, that is a computer engineer or computer specialist like AI engineer, machine learning engineer, or anything to do with IoT, robotics, quantum computing, all of you will come under technology professionals. Across the board, you see that all of them are seeing a significant positive trend. So, if you're a teacher, most countries are seeing a positive trend. For managers and executives, you have a steady demand across the board. So, care providers also are seeing positive growth, especially due to population in India and China. There's a significant growth. General professionals also see a good amount of growth. These are different job categories which will see the positive trend due to the adoption of automation and AI. Now let's drill down to the possible scenarios for employment growth. All of the information we're talking about is from now to 2030. So rising incomes and consumption will trigger a lot of hiring. So globally, they estimate that 250 million to 280 million new jobs could be created because of this. Now, because of aging population, there's going to be a lot of increase in hiring in the healthcare area. So they're going to be seeing about 50 to 85 million jobs created by 2030. Now, because of the development and deployment of technology, you're going to be seeing about 20 to 50 million jobs by 2030. Investments in infrastructure and buildings would increase, and this would bring in another 80 million to 200 million jobs. Another category is the renewable energy and energy efficiency. This will also bring in about 10 million jobs. There's another surprising category called marketization of unpaid domestic work, and this could bring 50 to 90 million jobs globally. So we do see a positive impact due to the adoption of AI and automation. In contrast with the jobs lost, how does this stand in perspective? So that is the question we should ask. Now let's take a look at this perspective. So the ones who are actually going to be using the AI more is not the creators, but the ones who are going to be consuming it and going to be using it on a day-to-day basis. So for example, the CDO, product managers, data scientists, technical architects, this is a small group of people. The next group of people would be advanced developers, analysts, designers. After them would be a significant portion going to IT, web, mobile, testing, network support, and so on. But the majority of the folks will be the ones who are actually going to be involved with AI in a shallow basis, but they're going to be using it more on a day-to-day basis. So from my perspective, whether you are in front office or supply chain, or whether you're a developer or a manager or data scientist, you need to find how you can resonate with AI, how you can align your skill set and plan your activities in a way we can take advantage during this time of adoption of automation and AI. If you plan really well, you could be in a very comfortable spot for the next decade or so.